Hi everybody. So right now we are in the batch Titans and I have got such great gems of Bar English Academy right around me. And my name is Divya and welcome to the official page of Bar English Academy. And today I'm gonna teach something very interesting to everybody present right there. Are you guys ready for that?
Yes!
Alright. So as you know, these days we have been on the journey to learn something which is very fascinating, very attractive and something nuanced. Right? So yesterday's we had a session where I taught or where I introduced you a conversation which had so many good uses and phrases of English language. And I hope that worked out for you as well. Did it?
Yes!
Alright. So today I have come up with a grammar rule which will help you to adopt all those new things which I taught you yesterday. Even if you remember, yesterday I told you about the uses of been. Been. Right? So today I'm going to teach you how that bean is exactly used. What is the basic root of that bean, from where that bean is actually traveling from. Okay? So we'll go quite deeper in the roots of that and we'll understand about the differences between those tenses, from where it is coming actually, and you will get the concept very much clear and it would definitely be very much easier for you as well to understand. So shall we start?
Yes!
Perfect. Listen guys now. This is something going to be very interesting for you. Okay? It's present continuous.
Something is going on
In the present. Any action which is happening right now, which is going on right now, you really don't care about any sort of time, when it was started, when will it happen, till when will it go, nothing. You are just concerned about the present, something is happening in the present. And the rule is, am, are with first form ing, right? I'm standing, you're sitting, the camera is recording, they are standing, right? I'm speaking, you are listening, I'm teaching, you are learning, the fan is working, Ali sir is taking class downstairs, Harry sir is meeting to some people. So these all things are happening and you're just concerned about the action that it is happening. That's it. This is present continuous tense. Now comes present perfect continuous tense. Please excuse me for the writing. Again one more use, excuse. Excuse me का use ना माफी मांगने के लिए भी करते हैं. जैसे आप बोलते हैं ना excuse me please, तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं होता साइड हो जाओ. Excuse me का मतलब कभी भी नहीं होता है कि साइड हो जाओ. Excuse me का मतलब होता है when you apologize to someone. जैसे कॉल आता है किसी का तो बोलते हैं excuse me guys for a while. तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि मुझे थोड़ा टाइम दो. Excuse मतलब I'm sorry, I have to leave this place for a while. तो जैसे मैंने बोला guys please excuse me for this writing. Excuse me मतलब माफ कर देना मुझे यार, हो सके तो राइटिंग खराब. So excuse me का यूज आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, present perfect continuous tense. It is used. What is the rule? Has, have, been with third form. Very good. Right? Now tell me the difference between both of them.
जो continuous में चल रहा है but ये काफी लंबे मतलब पहले स्टार्ट हुआ.
Okay, so if we see thoroughly, अगर मोटा मोटी देखा जाए तो अगर आप इसको समझो तो दोनों सेम है. कोई काम प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है, बस ये काम चल रहा है और ये कह रहा है कि इतनी समय से चल रहा है. If you see thoroughly, so it just talks about the time. इसमें एडिशनल तो बस टाइम ही तो ऐड हुआ, बाकी तो दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. I'm standing. I've been standing since morning. What's the difference in both of them?
Just time.
Time is the only difference. You are sitting, you have been sitting since 7 o'clock. The difference is time. If you are not mentioning the time, you will speak it in present continuous, and when you are mentioning the time, you will change the sentence to present perfect continuous. That's clear to you?
Yes.
Means the difference is just time. Clear?
Yes.
Perfect. Now just see. Now also tell me one more thing. How do we use present simple tense? Regular habit, something that happens daily or maybe in a raw of a habit, like a routine. And what is the rule? SNES, as simple as this. Okay, and the sentences goes like we play, we stand, we eat, they come, I know, you know, they know. Like that we use these sentences. Okay, before moving ahead, I want to compare in between these two sentences. Do you guys know this fact? There are some verbs in English language which are never used with ing form of verb. Do you know that? There are some verbs in English which are never used in ing form of verb. Like believing, trusting, liking, loving, understanding, having. Do you know that?
Yes.
Knowing. These are some of the verbs which can never be used with ing. Let's say if I believe in him, so I can never say I am believing in you, I am trusting you, I am loving you, I am liking you, I am knowing you. Have you ever heard these sentences? No. There are some particular sentences which are never made with present continuous. They are always made in present simple. Even if the emotion is of present continuous, still they will be made in present simple only. Why? Because those verbs never exist in ing form of verb. Do you know the tagline of McDonald's, I'm loving it, is grammatically incorrect. I'm loving it. Do you know McDonald's? जिसका लोगो येलो कलर में होता है, ऐसा होता है. So the tagline of this particular brand is even grammatically wrong. I am loving it, because loving is never existing verb. Love होता है, loving आप ऐसे gerund use कर सकते हो. You can use them as a gerunds, as an adjective, but they can never be used as like a main action verb in a sentence. Kana, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Never say what happened. अब ये बोलते हो what happened? क्या हुआ आपको? What's wrong with you? Use it at the place of what happened. Right? What's wrong with you? Yeah, what's wrong with you? You don't seem to be very much engaged in the class. Seem to be. No, but your facial gestures really doesn't deliver that to me. That if you're really listening to me. The same. So please improve your gestures. It really doesn't connect to me much. Nod. You know, sometimes nod when you are listening. You should move your neck a bit. You should show your expressions, your eyeballs, the way you're moving them. Your expressions, your smile. It should seem that yes, you're listening to me. Okay? So as you know, there are some words which are never used in present continuous. They're always used in present simple. है ना? अगर आपको कोई चीज पता है, आप you never say ना I'm knowing this. I know. You have always said I know, I trust, I believe, I love, I like, I have. Right? So these words are there. What if in these words, in these actions, there is an emotion of time? कि मैं आपके ऊपर भरोसा तब से करती हूँ जब से मैं आपसे मिली. What about this emotion? इस emotion में तो time है. Then what will you do in this case? मैं जिया को 2018 से जानती हूँ. What will I do now? अब ये जो इमोशन है इसमें तो टाइम है, लेकिन ing में तो बनता नहीं है. जो आप इसको इसमें टर्न करो, then what would you do? क्योंकि ये तो प्रेजेंट सिंपल में बनता है. So in this case, English grammar has given us the another rule that whenever there is any sentence like this and you have to add on the time, switch the sentence to present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. And let me give you one more reality check. Let me share one more fact. Do you know the full name of present perfect tense is not present perfect tense. It's present perfect simple tense. Now you may understand. Present continuous, present perfect continuous, present simple, present perfect simple. This is the full name of this tense. If you go through the books of the government jobs, do you have anybody who's preparing for competitive exams here? None? So if you go through the grammar books of competitive exams, you will find this one written in the English books. This is the full name of this, the present perfect simple tense. Okay, now, so if there is any present simple situation and you have to add on time in it, you have to change it into present perfect tense. And the rule is has, have, with, third form. What are you saying, guys? Who said be, been? You've been caught, sir. Okay, so has, have, with, third form of verb. So for example, if I say I trust you, so that is the present simple tense. What will I say? I trust you. मैंने हमेशा से तुम्हारे ऊपर ट्रस्ट किया जब से मैं आपसे मिली हूँ. The sentence will be switched to I have trusted you since the day we met. Since the day we met. Have you ever heard? ये अगर since वगैरह भी हटा दो आप, so you might have heard a sentence, you know, I have always believed in him. Have you heard this? ये तो सुना ही होगा आपने. I have always believed in him. I have always believed that God can never guide me to the wrong path. Have you heard this sentence? I have always. So ये always वाला भी जो इमोशन आ रहा है, कौन सा आ रहा है? टाइम का इमोशन तो है ये. और देखो वो सेंटेंस have में चेंज हो जाता है ना. ये भी हो सकता है I always trust that, बट ये ज्यादा ऑथेंटिक माना जाता है I've always trusted that, क्योंकि वो टाइम में चेंज कर दिया जाता है सेंटेंस को, राइट? In the same way, let's say if I say कि I have a gold ring, let's say I have a gold ring. Now I have to tell the time कि मेरे पास ये जो गोल्ड रिंग है ये 1 साल से. What would I say? Present perfect में बदलो. I have had a gold ring. I've had a gold ring for around almost. नहीं भी लगाओ, ठीक है. I've had a gold ring. अब जहाँ पे have had आ गया इसका मतलब एक लंबे समय से है, तभी have had का यूज किया है.
I have got a gold ring.
I've got a gold. हाँ ये भी ठीक है. I've got a gold ring भी ठीक है. Again next. इसी तरीके से let's say if I say let's say कौन यहाँ पे सबसे पुराना है जिसको मैं सबसे पुराने से जानती हूँ? That's भाभी जी होंगे. भाभी जी या कहना, ये दोनों ऐसे जिनको सबसे पुराने से मैं जानती हूँ. let's say भाभी जी. अगर मैं भाभी जी को I know भाभी जी, मैं जानती हूँ भाभी जी को. Now I've added a time कि मैं भाभी जी को पिछले 8 सालों से जानती हूँ. मैं भाभी जी को 7 सालों से जानती हूँ, राइट? तो मैंने बोला मैं जानती हूँ. That's it. I know her. मैं जानती हूँ इन्हें. Is, am, are is the first form of verb, and the second form of it is was verb, and the third form of it is. Do you know this fact?
Yes.
And be is also considered to be the first form of the same. Be is MR first form, was verb, been third form. ये fact clear हुआ? ठीक है, इसी का ही काम है हमें आगे. Now, if I just say the sentence that I am happy today. I am happy. Let's say I'm happy. If you see keenly, ये भी present simple का ही sentence हुआ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे am verb की first form है. Present simple क्या कहता है? Subject के बाद directly verb की first form place कर दो आप. And this is what I have done. Am भी verb की first form ही है. So subject के बाद मैंने directly verb की first form place कर दी, तो ये present simple का sentence हुआ, है ना? वैसे ही अगर मैं इसकी जगह पे second form रख दूंगी, I was happy, तो ये कौन सा sentence हो गया? Past simple हो गया, है ना? I am happy, I am sad, you are my friends, she is a doctor, they are sick. कौन से sentences हुए? Present simple, right? अभी मैंने आपको बताया प्रेजेंट सिंपल में जब टाइम लगा देते हो तो वो सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में चेंज हो जाता है. तो मैं खुश हूं, आई एम हैप्पी, मैं आज सुबह से खुश हूं, तो इसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे. आई हैव और am की थर्ड फॉर्म been, तो क्या हो जाएगा सेंटेंस? I have been happy since morning. अभी समझ आया कि इस सेंटेंस के पीछे रूट कॉज क्या है? ये सेंटेंस आपने सुना होगा कई बार, बट ये यहां तक पहुंचा कैसे, इसकी कहानी क्या है? अभी समझ आई? प्रेजेंट सिंपल से प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट तक का सफर. Is that now clear?
Yes.
So if you say she's a doctor, वो 10 साल से डॉक्टर है. She's been a doctor for 10 years now. वो बीमार है. They are sick. वो 5 दिन से बीमार है. They have been sick for 5 years. अगर आप समय नहीं भी लगाते हो, that they have been sick, ये भी सेंटेंस है, अकेले लगा दो. लेकिन ये सेंटेंस ना अपने आप में हैव बीन लगते ही इमोशन लेकर आया कि ये कुछ समय से काम होता हुआ आ रहा है. मतलब ये जस्ट अभी नहीं हुआ है. इट हैज बीन कमिंग फॉर not a long time, but at least a certain period of time. Right? So this is how we use it. And if you have got still some doubt, I'll correct you. If you make any wrong sentence, I'll even correct you right there as well. So here you go. Who is going to make the first sentence? Yes.
I have been coming in Bury English Academy for last 3 years.
अब देखो इसमें एक्शन था और कमिंग वाला एक्शन था, तो इसमें कौन सा सेंटेंस था ये? ये परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस था. इट वाज परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस बिकॉज देयर वाज एक्शन इन आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब देयर. बिकॉज कम एक ऐसा वर्ब है जिसमें आईएनजी आ जाता है, सो उसने कमिंग पे बना दी. राइट? मोर. यस.
She has been too sick since morning.
शी इज बीन टू सिक सिंस मॉर्निंग. वेरी गुड.
I've been living in Delhi since childhood.
हाँ ठीक है.
I have trusted Bury English Academy for 4 years.
Yes.
I have always loved her.
I've always loved her. Very good.
I have been playing cricket since 2 years.
Since 2 years now.
Sorry.
4 years.
Sorry.
I hope the concept is clear.
Right.
That was my mistake.
In flow.
Okay.
I've seen her growing since childhood.
I've seen her grow. Very good.
I have been listening to pop music since I was a teenager.
Very good.
I've been friends with Nitin Bhaiya for last 2 years.
Oh wow. Friends.
I have been studying. I have been studying since morning.
Okay.
I have been enrolled in this academy for last 3 years.
Okay.
Pratham and I have been friends since our childhood. Yes.
Truly.
Yes.
Yes.
I have loved her.
I've loved her. Okay. I hope now the difference is all clear to you.
Yes.
Is it? Perfect.